My name is Daniel Taylor and I work for Marlow Fire and Security Group.
So I'm Rory, I'm a data insight analyst for a company called Levercliff.
My name's Stephen Mayhead and I work for Network Rail as a Senior Business Improvement Manager.
Hi, I'm Basia. I'm a data manager, support of a secondary school in a trust, so I kind of work across two schools.
I look after the CRM systems within our group, I look after our databases and all that kind of thing.
If working with data, usually we'll buy data from a third-party company, transform the data, build a bit of a story for our clients. We can look at their internal performance, how they compare to other competitors in the market.
Change and improvement projects as a project lead or a program lead. I use a lot of data.
I'm responsible for collection and analyzing data. I also manage teams. I manage two people. I manage a finance assistant and data and admission officer.
I was initially at the company as just a general admin person. I self-taught myself more advanced Excel as I was in the admin role, started learning macros. The team picked me up because I'd started playing with some SQL against our database and I wanted to learn more, so that's when I wanted to do the course.
I needed a better understanding of how to make use of this data, how to present it, how to make that much more understandable to sell the projects and improve the way we work.
I have already kind of fundamental skills when it comes to things like Power BI. However, Python was completely new to me, and I'm really enjoying the course and the way the course is designed to kind of empower us.
I think that constant learning on apps such as Excel and Power BI has definitely helped develop my efficiency within the role.
I'm really enjoying it. The interactions on the face-to-face training that we do through the coach-led courses, as well as the practical data camp work, which is a great area to practice the skills that you're being taught on a week-to-week basis, and then taking those into the day-to-day working environment, and it's been able to really enhance what I do.
And since I've started the apprenticeship as well, I've started coming up with solutions for problems that we never really knew existed. We had a large data set of customer sites and their addresses, but we didn't have postcodes, and we needed to send letters to these customers, and we couldn't because we didn't have the postcodes. I used what I'd learned from the course, built a small script in Python, which I'd never been able to do before, that used an API, which I'd never used before. And using the API, I was able to talk to Google Maps' API. I built that into the Python script, fed in the address data, and Google found me the postcodes. I would have never been able to do that without what I've learned from this course. It probably went from a week's worth of work to a couple of hours.
I have noticed in myself my level of confidence and competence, how that increased in terms of using a certain skill set.
This course gave me the confidence to be able to use the information that I had and then use some of the coding that I'd learned during the course to enhance how that presentation looked. The report now has been asked to be used by multiple other teams within the programme as well.
As part of the apprenticeship, I have a monthly meeting with my coach. His name is Darren. I benefit immensely from those meetings.
What he has done for me has been invaluable. The ability to be able to communicate and talk to each other when I'm struggling with being able to do things, understanding what's been asked of us, it helps me understand what I need to do next and keeps me in check as well.
Anything you pick up, you can just take straight into work with you. There's lots of practical skills you learn on the course, and it can sort of be tailored to your needs. So you have an option of doing Power BI or Tableau.
I feel I really greatly benefit from the expertise of both of our teachers. They're both really knowledgeable and they know exactly what they're talking about.
I was lucky to have the opportunity to do this course with the Apprentice Academy. I was looking for somewhere that was able to fit in with my working schedule, online, with the practical app training, the practical tools to be available to me and able to learn in my own time. What I have done, this course has motivated me much more in my role. And even my partner said to me she was so pleased to see how excited I am and motivated in doing this course.
Especially for my way of learning, it's worked really well for me. Yeah, I definitely recommend the company.